Hi guys, so welcome to Chart Traders channel 369 for tomorrow trade setup. So the caption what I mentioned here is can Nifty reach 18,200 or 17,800 tomorrow? Let's look at the chart whether how it's going to react tomorrow. Before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Nifty chart and see how it's going to react tomorrow. Okay. So on Wednesday, I believe I have mentioned that. So it's in this zone. Okay, trying to move in this way and this way. So this trend line. Okay, so it's a very strong support for Nifty. So this trend line you can see here. This is trend line that's in holding Nifty on the upper side. So if it break this below this trend line, then easily we can expect 17,900, 17,800. So that's the reason I mentioned 17,800. So for now it is just holding. There is a high chances it can again come back to 18,200 levels or 18,170, 80 levels, and that's a strong resistance. We need to closely watch whether it can break or again make a profit booking during tomorrow. So that's a resistance for higher side tomorrow. On lower side it should not break this 18,000 or 17,950 levels. That's a good support for Nifty. If it break, then there is high chance it can fill this gap. You can see the gap, right? So that is around 17,800, 840 levels. That's a view what I have it for tomorrow. Let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. So how it's going to react. Bank Nifty chart also moving in this 41,500, 40,700 range. So that's a range which is moving. So tomorrow if you want to look for the level, it need to break this 41,400 levels, then easily we can try for 100 or 200 points here. 41,600, 660 is the next resistance. On the negative side it should not break this 41,100 200 levels. So that's a good support here. If it break, there is a high chance it can come back and test this trend line. So the trend line support is around 40,880 levels. So tomorrow the move which I am expecting is it should be in this 41,600 or 40,800 range. That's the move which I am expecting as per the chart. Let's look at the OI data, what the OI data says. So let me change my screen to Nifty OI data. So if you look at the Nifty OI data, 18,000 is a good support. It should not break. If that breaks, the next support is 17,800 and further downside. And the higher side which I am looking is 18,200. That is what I am expecting. On the lower side 17,800 as per the OI data. Let's look at the Bank Nifty OI data. A very strong resistance is 41,500. Good support is 40,500. So I am expecting in this range for tomorrow. If 41,500 breaks, we can expect Bank Nifty reaching a new high at 42,000. So that is our November month target for prediction. And support which I am expecting is 40,500. So that's the move as per the OI data. Let's look at the training program. If you're really interested to learn technical, right, you can contact me Hemant 369. This is a topic which you're going to cover. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Star above 320 you need to watch. That's a resistance. If that breaks, easily we can expect 324, 330 is the next resistance for Star. Next is Prestige Stage below 440. That's a good support. If that breaks, 440, 435 and 431 is the next support. Next is Ajanta Pharma above 1,356 is a resistance. If that breaks, next high is 1,363 and that's a good resistance. Let's look whether it can break this resistance or not. Okay, that's about next is Repicom Home above 220 you need to watch. If that breaks, next resistance is 224 and 228 is the next resistance. So that's about the stock for tomorrow. Thanks guys for watching our chart traders channel, and thanks Manju for joining with me. Cheers.